Building optical distribution networks can be a tedious process. What if there was a smarter, faster way to validate the construction build to prevent installation failure? Here, efficiency isn't just a goal, it's a necessity. Time is everything. Yet a single technician spends hours traveling between optical distribution cabinets and fiber-serving terminals, manually switching fibers just to take a single measurement. Traditional fiber testing is very slow, labor-intensive, inefficient, costly, and leaves a large carbon footprint. To optimize workflow, communication service providers often assign two technicians, one stationed at the optical distribution cabinet and another testing at various fiber-serving terminals. However, this inefficient approach increases operational costs and reduces overall productivity. What if construction validation could be done remotely with just one technician? At VeEX, we listen to our customers to transform their pain points into opportunities for innovation. We navigate through the challenges and execute the best possible solution to our customers. We don't just build products, we solve problems. Introducing VeEX's OTT, the new optical test tool for fiber construction validation and maintenance. The ultimate solution for streamlined optical fiber distribution network testing and maintenance. Designed for field operations at optical distribution cabinets, the Optical Test Tool simplifies every step of your construction validation and maintenance workflows. Now, a single technician can set up the OTT at the fiber distribution cabinet with multiple fiber drop connections and remotely control it by using any mobile phone. The process is easy, efficient, and cost-effective, ensuring faster validation, fewer errors, and lower operational costs. The Optical Test Tool is packed with features that make fiber testing faster and more efficient. With GPS geolocation capability and cellular IoT communication, its compact and durable design is built for the toughest environments. Easy to use, its intuitive indicators provide clear, at-a-glance insights into what the OTT is doing, eliminating guesswork. Getting started is as simple as scanning the unique QR code printed on each OTT. No complex setups, no lengthy configurations, just scan, connect, and you're set to go. In just seconds, the OTT is linked and ready to execute commands, ensuring a seamless testing experience. With simple text commands, technicians can streamline operations by remotely switching the test signal source to any of the 16 distribution fibers connected to the fiber-serving terminal links. No more traveling back and forth. Manage a connected OTT from virtually anywhere and conduct precise power measurements, PON validation, and manage fiber connections, saving time, reducing operational costs, and boosting productivity. Why stick with the old ways when the OTT offers a smarter, faster, and more reliable solution? The Optical Test Tool, redefining efficiency in fiber optic testing. Ready to streamline your network operations?